Hi, welcome, it's Diane here. Like many folks, my back likes to let me know when I've been overdoing things. In order to keep myself moving, I find yoga really helps. And today I'm going to share a few things that I find help my shoulders, which over the years have liked to think that they hold up all of my body, or they can often be found up round my ears. So I invite you to join me for a few movements. So let's just land, settle and bring our awareness to our breath. But first of all, I invite you just to notice how your body is in this moment. And you can do these movements standing or sitting. I'm going to do them standing today. So just take a moment to land into your body. Notice, where are your shoulders today? How does your neck feel? And then bring your awareness to your breath and notice the breath as it flows in through your nose and out through your nose if that's comfortable. I invite you to bring your hands perhaps onto your belly and invite that breath to flow. Imagine it fills the belly and the belly expands. Perhaps your fingers part a little as you breathe in and then they relax back towards each other as you breathe out. Do this a few times. I find this really helps to let my shoulders start to relax already, and as we deepen our breath and bring our breath into our body, it allows us to drop out of our mind and into our hearts, connecting us to our rest and relaxation response, grounding, settling, beginning to dissolve the stress that we like to stuff into our shoulders. And then just relaxing your hands down by your sides. As you breathe in, draw the shoulders up, and as you breathe out, let them just drop. Either slowly or perhaps with a sudden movement, just explore what feels right for you. Fantastic. And then begin to circle those shoulders round. Imagine that you draw them towards each other, up past your ears, squeeze the shoulder blades together as they come down through the back and then taking them down towards the earth. Breathing in as you circle the shoulders forward and up and out as you circle them backwards, squeezing the shoulder blades together and then down to the earth. Lovely. And then just give your arms a little shake off for a moment. And then bring your hands to your shoulders and we're going to repeat that movement, bringing the elbows towards each other. Up and round. Breathing in, breathing out. Beginning to open across your heart centre, across your sternum, lifting and opening the rib cage, helping your lungs. Beautiful. Fantastic. One more time. And let the hands relax down by your sides once more. This time take one shoulder round and then the other. And if you're standing, you might begin to notice a little weight transfer from foot to foot. Just easing, allowing the rib cage to become part of the movement, perhaps a little flexing from side to side. If you're sitting, you might notice the weight move from one sit bone to the other. And then taking that up, expanding as if you're drawing circles with each side of your body with your elbows. Keep your knees relaxed, your feet relaxed. And then extending that movement as if you are scooping your fingers down past your knees. You might bend your knee a little. Easing in, bringing a gentle movement to your spine as well as your shoulders. That's great. And then let's take that back, making the movement smaller. Just the elbows. And then back into the shoulders. And release. And just take a moment to pause here. I invite you to close your eyes if you wish, or perhaps soften your gaze to the earth. Notice how your body feels now. Notice any sensations. Perhaps your body feels longer. Do you notice any softening or easing? Maybe it feels hot or cold. Maybe your awareness was drawn to a place that feels more achy than others. There's no right or wrong, we're just observing and noticing, witnessing our bodies without any story, no judgment at all. Accepting, pausing, breathing easily. And thank you so much for joining me for this movement. And if you have any questions about any of this or other back care, please do get in touch. Bye for now.